Hi everybody, how's everybody doing today? And welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am preparing a meal that I've never done before. I'm just trying this out. It came to me yesterday that I should try this. I am going I am going to do a sausage taco. So this is link sausage that I've sliced and I have sauteed it with my veggies here and a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to put this all together and come back and let you all see what I have here. These are the ingredients that I'm using: sour cream, flour tortillas, tomato, and I have some black olives. So I'm going to put this together. I am going to heat up my tortillas in the microwave. And I will come right back. And I did use some red onion in this mixture here. But just hang tight and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, this is the sausage and the peppers and onion, and this is my sausage tacos. I have tasted them and they are so delicious. Y'all must try them. This is a new recipe. I just thought about it. I said, well, I can do some tacos with sausage. You can do tacos with anything, any type of meat, I guess. So I tried it and I really do like it. So please tap that notification bell. Give me the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And make comments, ask questions. And I will talk to you guys on the next exciting videos. Let me let you see the sausage and peppers and onions. And these are those delicious tacos. All right, y'all. Have a great day and bye.